How's it going? My name's Tucker from Contemporary Automotive. This right here is a 2018 Jeep Sahara that we just took in. So I'm going to make a quick video, go over all the features, everything like that. So let's hop right into it. Starting out front, you're going to see it's going to come in the granite crystal clear coat. Really nice dark gray color. It's also going to have these silver accents around the grille. And with the headlights, you have halogen headlights, the silver accents with the fog lights down here as well, in the bumper, and the black recovery points. This one under the hood is going to have the 3.6 liter V6. It's going to have just about 56,000 miles on it. So you're just getting started, have a ton of life left in it, and a ton of time to enjoy this thing. Taking a walk along the side of the Jeep now, just taking a look at the whole thing. Right down here, you're going to have the 18-inch wheels, gray and silver two-tone look to it. The tires are also be super well equipped, especially matched with this system or this Jeep's four-wheel drive system. You're gonna be able to take on the winter and just all weather conditions with confidence. Right here, you have the side markers. These are gonna be heated so that if any snow or ice builds up on it, it will just thaw right off. Right down here, you're gonna have the wheel running boards, which is an added touch and just helps you jump up into the Jeep. Right up here, you're going to have the three-piece hardtop. This is going to be the matte black, looks so nice. And you can take it off in seconds, which is a really nice added touch. Finishing off our exterior walkthrough right back here, right in the spare tire is where your backup camera is going to be. Pop this open and fold the glass up. And you can see how much space you have back here. Ton of space for any, bags, any groceries, anything like that. And if you want more space, you can fold these seats down to give you the maximum storage capacity. This Sahara is also going to have the Alpine speakers, the premium speaker for the Jeep Wrangler, so you can be bumping while you're driving this thing. And you also have a little bit of extra storage down here as well. This is where the spare tire would be in a normal car, but obviously you got it back here, so you can fit a little bit more back here, so it's just a cool added feature. Coming inside now, and the Sahara is so nice inside. You have these black leather seats all the way around. You have the stereo right above you. Some really nice floor mats so you can just take right out if they get dirty, so you don't have to worry about getting the carpet underneath dirty, and just really, really nice inside. Now, taking a look at the front seat, and you also have the black leather up here with the Sahara stitching right in the front seats. Leather stitched steering wheel. Really nice added feature is you have a heated steering wheel and heated seats as well. Bunch of buttons on the steering wheel. Some will control the dashboard right here, but also set the cruise control. You have your Uconnect 4 system, which is going to have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a bunch more. A bunch of settings to kind of make it your own and adjust to how you like. You have the climate control right there, and just a bunch of the media buttons, plugins, everything like that. This one is also going to be a 6-speed manual, which is such a nice feature to have in Wranglers. I know it's just a great feeling to kind of be able to drive how you like and feel the transmission while you're shifting. And above you, like I said, it is the 3-piece hardtop. So you have a few latches, and like I said, just pop it right off, and now you have the open sky above you. And if you have any questions I have not already answered, or you think that this one might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call, come on in, take over a test drive. We're happy to help with basically any questions that you have. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 101.